Welcome to 3930 Southeast 18th Place in Cape Coral. Built in 2006, this gorgeous 4-bedroom plus den, 3-bathroom home is listed by Tom and Sue Dimogenes with RE/MAX Realty Team. It's move-in ready and offers a waterfront view with western exposure and direct access to the Gulf of Mexico. With nearly 3,500 square feet, it features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, eco-friendly bamboo flooring throughout the main living areas, and an oversized screened lanai with a large, freeform pool which gives you plenty of space for entertaining your guests. This immaculate home was recently painted both inside and out and would make a perfect family home or vacation rental investment. For more information on this property for sale, you can contact Tom and Sue Dimogenes at 239-357-6118.